What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Alright, time for some more messages. Let's see what else is going on. I kind of want to see if a story will come out of this here. So let's try it. Let's see. Messages for Scorpio, please. What's going on? What's going on? Do I want to do this deck? Yeah. Let's see. What's going on? Let's just try it. Let's see what messages come out. Let's see. Messages for Scorpio, y'all. I got clothes in the background. That's why I'm turned like this. You can't see it, but it's like a basket of clothes back there, and I'm not gonna put that in the video, child. I gotta fold them. So just bear with me, y'all. It's chill vibe type of thing. All I gotta do is get a cord to go from that outlet to where I can bring it over here for the phone charger, and then I'll be set back up. All right. So anyway. And then it will be this angle, like y'all be able to see the wall and the the cards and stuff. But anyway, thank y'all for rocking with me. Let's see what's going on. She knocked out too. All right, Spirit, what's going on in Scorpio? What's coming in for Scorpios? Like what's up? What's coming in for my Scorpios, please? What's coming in for Scorpios? Coming in for my Scorpios, please. All right, here we go. Let's go. We got feeling trapped. Feeling trapped isn't part of the love deal. If there's no key in sight, it might be time to break free. So somebody feels like they're trapped in something. This could be a connection or a relationship or something like that, partnership. Somebody feels tied up. All right. We have commitment issues. This could be somebody that has commitment issues, or somebody feels trapped to a person that has commitment issues. Someone here is afraid to fully commit, whether they admit it or not. Emotional walls are high and avoidance is running the show. So this could be somebody like, this could be you or somebody you dealing with. But somebody feel like they done tied themselves to a person that they know this person don't want to commit to them, or you don't want to commit to them. It says unspoken feelings. You are not imagining the undercurrent. There's an emotional charge here that no one's fully naming yet. Yep. And then open relationship. An open relationship isn't for the faint-hearted. Set clear rules, communicate, and be respectful of boundaries. Explore with care. For some of y'all, this could be a female with two masculines, because there's one female and two masculines here. Somebody could be into like poly or something like that with the open relationship card. Child, listen. Digital love. Somebody could be like in love with somebody, and maybe they just text, communicate, message, that type of thing. This could also be somebody could be dating multiple people online or something. But somebody feels like they're stuck with somebody because somebody don't want to commit to them. Maybe somebody hasn't yet spoken this or said anything about it with the unspoken feelings. Somebody could want to talk about this. Now for some of y'all, this is a masculine, or there could be a female that feel like she can't choose between two different people. Or there could be a masculine, put habits, that feel like they can't choose between two people. And that could be the reason why. Yeah, and that could be what it is. That could be why somebody feels trapped as well, because they like, well, I don't want to commit to this person. Excuse me, sorry. I don't want to commit to this person because if I commit to them, then I can't commit to them. It's something like that. So somebody could just be keeping their options open, refusing to be in a commitment because they want multiple options. But there's definitely a conversation that needs to be had. What else? We got ride or die. It says this is about unwavering loyalty, the kind that stays through thick and thin. If you got a ride or die by your side, cherish it, defend them fiercely. So somebody feels like, somebody could feel trapped because they feel like a person that they're dealing with is a ride or die type of person. Like I can't really let them go because they've always had my back. Even they've been through me with the roughest times. They've been through me with the greatest times. Like this person held me down when wasn't nobody else there. Why is this hair sticking up like that? Like that's what I'm getting. Somebody feels stuck to a person because they feel like they was with them, they was rocking with them when nobody else would. That's what I'm getting. This could be an ex. Excuse me. This could be somebody's ex. Whether they are still talking or just secretly hoping an ex is impacting how this connection is unfolding. So there's a person that's still attached to an ex. Yeah. And the reason why they're attached to that ex is because that ex was there for them like through thick and thin. They don't want to let that person go. Somebody don't want to let this person go. What's going on? If you're wondering why this person ain't committing, that's why. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio, please. Messages for Scorpio. We got soulmate bond. Okay. When you know, you just know. The soulmate connection is deep and real. This is that no explanation needed kind of love. So somebody's like, well, we don't need a title because I love you. Done settling. Somebody like, fuck that. Yeah. Hey, look, we don't really need a title because we know that we love each other and that's all that matters. So we don't need no ring. We don't need no title. We don't need to establish this. Like, that's what this is. And it's not funny. I'm not laughing at you. It's just, that's what this is. It's like, we love each other. What we need to get married for? What we need to be in a commitment for? We love each other. But it's because somebody's still holding on to an ex. There's an ex here that they still feel binded to in some sort of way. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. Block passion. This could cause some, there could be a blockage in sex. Yeah, friend zone. Look. Somebody could lose passion for this person altogether. You could lose passion for this person altogether. Because it's like, oh, okay, you still loyal to your ex, so we don't need to be together then. Let me move on. Maybe this is what you're doing now, or vice versa, whichever. When passion is blocked, it usually reflects something deeper. It's time to look beneath the surface and ask what's not being expressed. There's a blockage in sex or passion. And maybe you're wondering why, like, why are me and this person not having sex anymore? Why are we not intimate like that? It's because there's another person. Somebody feels loyal to a person that held them down. It could be an ex. Not saying that they don't love you. There's love here. But somebody feels like they need to stay loyal to an ex as well, so they're not going to commit. What else is going on? Or this could be you. Put it at this. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. Bottom of the deck. Power couple. We got different worlds. Yep. This connection crosses cultures, timelines, or belief systems, and that creates both fascination and friction. And then we have make a move. Swipe, speak, show up. Whatever your move is, now's the time to make it. Waiting won't align you. Action will. Somebody's about to make a move here. Somebody's about to make a move, and the move could be let's be together. Look, because we got the single life. It says embrace your independence, expand your horizons, and enjoy the solo journey. When you're your best self, you attract the best, right? Somebody could be in the single energy, and they're about to go towards this power couple energy. So they could be getting in a relationship with somebody. You amplify each other's gifts and elevate each other's goals. You're building more than a relationship. You are building an empire. Somebody about to make their move here. It's like, yeah, I know we on different pages, or we probably ain't on the, into the same thing or something like that, but somebody here needs to make a move if they want to be with a person, because if not, somebody about to move on and be in this power couple energy, because I see a power couple. I definitely see that. Yep. I see that. Let's see. Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Somebody about to be happy. That's what I see. Somebody about to be happy. Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. And I'm trying to get them out because it's so many. Let's see, messages for Scorpio, and then I'll read them to you. Messages for Scorpio. Alright, wait a minute. Another one flipped over. There we go. Okay. Keep pushing at the bottom of the deck. Somebody can have a truck or a Jeep. We got blessings coming in. Something about dreams could be significant. You could be getting dreams or downloads, gold buttons, brown or gray eyes, guided by spirit. Large deposits hit your account. The month of June could be significant. Start something new, sun power. Some of y'all are like shining. Okay, abundance energy. We got tomorrow, or happiness. Tomorrow could be significant. We have 10 to 12 days. 18-wheeler or truck driver. Overwhelmed, take a break. Platinum or rainbow hair. Lazy day, phone off and not answering the door. Orange, black, white butterfly. Short or long straight hair. Somebody could be penny pinching. I'm falling for you. Somebody could be falling for another person or something. We have a year could be significant. GPS tracking or watching and spying. Mexican, Spanish, or Latino. Ancestors are protecting you. We have dreads or braids. Can we start over? Lucky break. Motorcycle. Toe ring. Something about a bill due. Plan smart with your money. Windshield wipers. A voodoo doll. Lexus, Bentley, BMW. Small lottery ticket win. Apply for that position. USPS, UPS, DHL, and FedEx. Sunglasses. And deception, fraud, or fake lies, and afraid to change. It's at the bottom of the deck. So, Scorpio, this is what I have for you. Hope it brings you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.